I work hard to keep myself looking my best. Eating healthy, exercise, and taking the right supplements have played an important part. But lately I've noticed that my hair and my skin, even my nails, they just don't look as good as they used to. So what am I missing?
Well, it's no secret. Ingesting the right nutrients can benefit your health and appearance. Our Hair, Skin, and Nails Collagen Plus Formula is a clinically validated nutritional supplement that can help.
After reading about this formula on the Life Extension website, I was convinced that this was just what I needed to get my hair and nails to look and feel spectacular again.
The Bioactive Collagen Peptides and potent nutrients in this innovative formulation work from the inside out to help rejuvenate hair and skin and promote healthy keratin formation to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles.
I like that Life Extension is focused on the science of maintaining health and beauty from both the inside and out.